Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to walk you through a simple yet important task, changing the light source in a Kemtrak analyzer. Whether you're a seasoned technician or just getting started, this guide will help you through the process. If you want to follow a maintenance schedule for when to change your LEDs, we recommend you changing them according to this table. On the DCP, UV lamps are replaced every 3 years. The lamps in a TC never need replacement, and lamps on an FL should be replaced every 2 years. As LEDs are constantly improving, you must check the current settings of your analyzer before changing one. Check the current of your new LED on its package and adjust the current accordingly. Failing to do so can permanently damage your new LEDs. To change the current settings of your new LEDs, enter the System Configuration menu and Advanced Features. There, select the LED to adjust its maximal current if necessary. I am now going to demonstrate the process of changing a LED in a Kemtrak analyzer. Before we start, I ensure that the analyzer is powered off and disconnected from any power source. To change a LED, the only tool you need is a turnkey to open the analyzer. Once the panel is removed, you'll have a clear view of the LEDs. The LEDs are screwed onto the LED house and connected to the sensor card with pins. LED 1 has 3 pins. LED 2 has 2 pins. Changing a LED to a LED of another wavelength is an easy process. Start by carefully unscrewing LED 1. Take your time and make sure not to damage any surrounding components. Notice that there may be multiple LEDs for different purposes depending on your analyzer model. Then unscrew LED 2. You can choose to replace your LEDs to LEDs of other wavelengths as much as you want. Here, LED 1 emitting at 365 nanometer is going to be replaced by a LED emitting at 470 nanometers. Open the package and take your replacement LED. Then, insert it carefully into the slot on the LED house occupied by the previous LED 1. Make sure to connect it to the sensor card with pins. The same procedure is repeated with LED 2. You can now power up your analyzer with LEDs of different wavelengths. If the LEDs are working correctly and everything looks good, you're all set to start using the analyzer. If not, double check your connections and make sure the LEDs are properly installed. In summary, changing LEDs in a Kemtrak analyzer is a straightforward process that anyone can do with a little bit of patience. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And until next time, happy analyzing!